Sometimes, we feel guilty from resting.
Hi guys! Ako pala si So, short for Bonso. Tara, sama ka na. Ito pa rin ang ating pangarap.
This is day 12 of 305 journey, creating the best version of myself. May pangarap ka? Tara, sama ka na. Let's go! Sometimes, we feel guilty from resting. We tell ourselves, I should doing more. I should working harder. I cannot afford to slow down. But let me gently remind you of this truth. Rest is not laziness. Rest is a human. You are not created to run non-stop. You are created with the limits, with emotions, with a body that need cares. According to the book of Matthew 11, verse 28, Jesus says, "Come to me, all of you are very burdened, and I will give you rest." God does not shame on you for being a rest, for being a tired, for He invites you to rest. Even God Himself, He rested. Even after creating the world, He paused. He set an example that rest is a part of a healthy, a meaningful life. So, why you feel guilty when you need sleep? Why do you feel weak when you need to focus? Your heart becomes lighter. Your spirit becomes stronger. And in Psalms 23 verse 2, it says, "Make me lie down in green pasture. Lead me beside quiet still water. He restore my soul." Notice that word. He restore. God restore you in a moment of stillness, sleep. God in silence, sleep in peace. So today, give yourself a permission. Permission to slow down, permission to breathe, permission to sleep earlier, permission to step away for a moment. You are not a lazy from resting. You are a wise. Because you cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot grow when you are constantly drained. Sometimes, the most spiritual thing you can do is to rest. Close your eyes and deep breathe. Let go of the pressure. Trust that God is still working even when you are resting. And remember this gentle truth. Taking care of yourself is also a form of honoring your life that God's given you. So tonight, choose rest. Choose peace. Choose renewal. You deserve it. Stay positive mind and stay humble. See you tomorrow.